Hello. Please relax and follow Eve as she takes you through Product Pose Yoga by IKEA to help with health and wellness in the home. Standing legs together. Firm your left foot. Right foot to inner thigh, belly in, and slowly raise arms to sky. Exhale slowly into pose 1, Storsint. Martini glass, $3.99. Feet parallel. Widen your stance. Turn your right foot out to 90 degrees and extend the arms. Hand to right ankle, left fingertips to sky. Breathe deeply into pose 2. Novlinga. LED clamp spotlight, $18. Feet parallel, arms fully extended. Release forward, left hand to mat, right hand to sky, and twist into pose 3, Mushning. Valley stand bamboo, $69. Now, when we're ready, hands to top of mat, framing the right foot. Arms rise up. Connect the thumbs, extend to sky. And breathe into pose 4, Jättalik. Soft toy, 55 centimeters, $20. Hands to mat, tabletop position. Lift knees from the ground. Press through the balls of the feet, hands shoulder width apart, palms flat to floor. Inhale into pose 5, Grilltider. Barbecue tongs, stainless steel, $5. Lift the left leg, bend at the knee, drop the toes to rest lightly on the earth. Extend to the full expression of pose 6, Kirra. Stool, white, $17.99. From seated, arms extend. Engage the core and draw the knees to chest. Rise through the crown of the head. Move forward, elevating the heart through pose 7, Hemlagad. Sauté pan with lid, $29.99. Perfect. From a grounded seat, arms extended behind you. Fingertips facing in, pressed through the palms. Lift evenly, neck relaxed. Breathe into pose 8, Jäckedalen. Bench, $119. Turn now to face the side of the room, drawing your left foot in, stacking your inner thighs one knee over the other. Arms to full extension and wrap the right arm under the left. Breathe into pose 9, Sinlig. Scented block candle, $2.99. From a comfortable seat, hands to full point, kneeling, and step back to plank. Lower slowly to the ground, elbows and core engaged, reach back to connect to the inner ankles. Breathe into pose 10, Krallig. Basket, seagrass, $15. Slowly back to the knees. Come to standing. Feet firm, bend your knees, sweep hands to floor and lift the sternum from the hips of pose 11, Fröset. Easy chair, $99. Return gently to a seat. Place the arms to mat and settle into pose 12, Simrishamn. Table and/or wall lamp, $35. Setting our foundations for a first arm balance, chest to thighs, generously bend at the knees, come to the tip of your toes and wrap the knees around your arms. Pose 13, Finstår. Work lamp, $25. Kneeling, legs hip-width apart, lift through the pelvic floor and belly as you reach back to find your heels with your left hand. Circle the right hand and come to rest with open shoulders. Head back in pose 14, Skihakt. LED lantern, $2.99. We seal our practice with the most important pose of all to quieten the internal fire we have awakened. Lying on your back, legs wide, arms relax, close down the eyes and calm the mind. Pose 15, Graciös. Rug, $49. Roll gently onto your side and return to a seat. Thank you, everyone. Namaste. Return to this video at any time and shop the range featured at IKEA.com.au.